This is the fourth in a series of 7 videos that will show you how to solve genetics problems like the ones in your lab manual. Here I'll show you how to do problems involving the type of inheritance known as multiple alleles. This is when more than 2 genes for a trait exist, but each individual only has 2 of them. A good example would be a blood type problem. In a blood type problem, the only possible genes are capital A, capital B, and small o. There are no other genes possible. No small a's, no small b's, for instance. This problem mentions a man with type AB blood, so I'd write down man and give him the genes that would cause him to have type AB blood. He must have an A gene and a B gene. He mates with a woman with type O blood. I write woman, and the only way she can have type O blood is if she has 2 small o's. The O gene is recessive. Now I'm ready to draw the Punnett square. I put the man's genes into his sperm across the top of the square. 1 letter about blood type goes into each sperm. I put the woman's genes into her eggs on the left side of the Punnett square. Each of her eggs would have a small O gene. Then I bring the letters together, and I get these genotypes for their children. Next, I fill in phenotypes. What blood type would each of these children have? The last thing to do is to answer the question that was asked. Their chances of producing a type A baby are 2 out of 4, or half, or 50%. Sometimes a blood type problem will mention that someone is heterozygous type A or heterozygous type B. What does that mean? Well, that just means that they have 1 capital letter, either an A or a B, and that their second letter is a small o. So, for example, a heterozygous type A person would have the genotype capital A, small o. Go ahead and try the multiple alleles problems that are in your lab manual. They are all blood type problems.